Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use green screen in your videos with Shotcut. So let's begin. Now we've got a video here that we're going to use as an example that was the same video as the last one. So let's begin. Let's open up Shotcut. Alrighty everyone, we're at our startup screen. Now we're going to take our file and drag and drop that anywhere in this area here.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I create and edit my YouTube.
Well, sorry about that, the computer's running a little slow. Shotcut does have a lot of CPU allocation. You know, it is a very demanding program on the processor, so watch out for that. So anyways, we're not going to do any cutting, so we're going to go ahead and right click, track operations, add video track. You're going to have to do this for green screen because you have to layer your tracks over each other. So now let's say for the purpose of this video, you have an intro that has green screen, or in my case, blue screen. So we're going to drag and drop that into there. I bet you guys are wondering how I edit like this. I just do. So you're going to drag it from this project window onto your track, over the other track, and here we are. Now you can see it's just the intro, and you can't see the video underneath. So now we're going to mute these for the purpose of this video. So now what you want to do is you want to select the clip. Make sure it's selected. It'll be dark blue if it is. See? Notice the color difference? And it'll have a red outline. So now we're going to go to Filters, and then press this plus arrow. Now, what you want to do is you want to search for key. I just type in key. It's technically called chroma key, and I just use the simple version. The advanced we'll go over in a future video, but for now, we're just going to use simple green screen, simple chroma key, and as you can see, you have a key color and you have a distance. Preset, I don't worry about. So now the key color can be anything. It can be black, and now you can see through the black, or it can be blue, and now you can see through the blue. And I usually set the distance a little bit higher, so what that does is it buffers the lines between what you have on your screen and what the chroma key is, if that makes any sense. I don't know word that right, but you can see what it's doing. It doesn't really, I mean, it's not an opacity setting. It just softens the lines between the regular video and the chroma key. So what, for the purpose of this video, we're going to set this at 53. It's usually what I have it for my intros. And as you can see, it's now layered over the video. The green screen is in effect. And there you have it. So now what I usually do when I put my intro in is I fade out the video. And I went over this in the last video. See how you fade out, and then you can adjust the duration. See, now this is another important setting for when you're having an intro, at least. Adjust opacity. It fades out. It'll load black. It'll just fade to black like that, see? We don't want that. We want to adjust the opacity. And see, when you do that, now it fades out with transparency. See that? There we go. Well, that's all that that's all there is to this video, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you know how to use chroma key now. If there's anything I missed with this feature, please ask questions in the comments below. I'm free to answer. But thank you for watching, and tune in for more.